Hello friends, Running Kimono here. January 4th to the 10th, awesome deals over at Walgreens, very heavy on detergent and toilet paper and all the magic that is extreme couponing. Now on the 1st, which was Thursday, Walgreens went to 70 with the remaining Christmas merchandise. That includes a lot of just everything pretty much. My prediction is that either on the 5th or 6th it's going to go 80. So Kenny Rogers, know when to hold him, know when to fold him. You decide what you want to do. I just typed up a couple prices and use Walgreens cash register rewards, whatever, so you're not feeling it out of pocket. Just be smart. Wednesday, a lot of us got boosters. The 5-back when you do any transaction right till the 10th. This one, it's not a spend booster. It's just any transaction you do, you automatically get $5 of Walgreens cash. Not everybody got this. I only got it on my husband's account, not my personal one. Your boosters to load is a 10-back when you spend $45 on P&G. A lot of us prefer to do this one curbside as well, but just load it and we will talk soon. And then we have a 10-back when you spend $25 on Walgreens brand vitamins. Again, we'll investigate that one next week. And a 4-back when you buy 2 P&G dental care products. Load all of these friends. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad along with all of the digital coupons will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday, January the 4th. And please like and hype this video if you can. I would really appreciate it. Arm & Hammer detergent will be $1.95. It's typically like $8.99. I'm wondering if we'll get $1 off 2 digital coupon or something on IBOTTA. We'll have to wait and see. Grabbing 3 of these, it would be $5.85. And so if you just want to use Walgreens cash, use $5, it's 85 cents. If you have that goofy booster of do any purchase, get $5 back in Walgreens cash, it's 85 cents for 3. So you could see in real time how powerful that buy anything, get $5 is. It shows up once in a blue moon, but 85 cents for 3, yes. Another great deal that we have is the buy 2 get 1 for free on the Walgreens brand bathroom tissue or paper towel. If it is still $3.99, grabbing 3 of them, it would be $7.98 for the 3 or $2.66 per. If they bring it back to $5 a unit, it would be $10 for 3 or $3.33 each. And with that $5 back on any purchase, I think you could see the magic playing out there in real time, how great this deal is. Definitely a week to stock up. Even if it's 10 for 3, we'll have to figure something out with our toilet paper video on Tuesday. This is interesting. $15.99 for the Down Gain Tide Laundry Care $4 reward when you buy 2 with 3 off digital coupons. So grabbing 1 of each, that would be $31.98. Subtracting those digital coupons, you'll pay $25.98. Get back a $4 register reward. But if there is a 10-back when you spend $30, that goofy one that's printing out in store, possibly this can make a better deal. But usually whenever there's a product with a register reward, it's excluded from the spend $30 to earn back $10 register reward. So we'll have to just kind of put a button in this one, but we'll have to triple check the app on Sunday. And last time they had it, it was to spend $35 to earn that $10 register reward. It wasn't a 30 for 10. So we'll have to just really maybe just wait and see how this one plays out. But that $4 register reward in store is very nice to see. Looking at the cheap Garnier for $4.49, $3 reward when you purchase 2 with a 3 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $8.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5.98. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Great deal that we have is with the Dove women's or men's body care with the 6 off 2 digital coupon, $3 reward when you purchase 2. Grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $16 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $10. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $7 for the 2 or $3.50 per body wash. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And also, guys, will Fetch Rewards have a rebate for this on Sunday? Yes or no? We'll have to figure that out. The Tresemme, this is a deal from last week, continuing into this week. Grabbing the $6 Tresemmes, 2 of them is going to be exactly $12. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $8. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 4 for 2 or $2 per shampoo. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And honestly, unless you have a big paper booster, you're probably going to be using Walgreens cash this week because there isn't a good digital one that I saw, other than the 5-back on any, but not everybody has that one. Head and Shoulders for $7 with a 5 off. Is it going to be a 5 off 2, 5 off 3? We'll have to wait and see. But if it is in fact a 5 off 2, which they sometimes provide for us, 2 of these shampoos for $14, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $9. Get back a $3 register reward, making it 6 for 2 or $3 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If it's like 5 off of 2 of the fancier ones, pass, but if it's working on the $14 for 2, that's the way to do it this week. The Gillette and Venus $9.99 razors, if you can find 2 of them, we have $3 digitals on each of them with a $6 reward when you purchase 2. Grabbing 2 of them, it's going to be $19.98. Subtracting $6 in digitals, you'll pay $13.98. Get back that $6 register reward, making it $7.98 for the 2 or $3.99 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Okay, and now we're looking at the Crest or Oral-B products at $5 and a $4 reward when you purchase 2 with the 4 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of them for $10, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but definitely not a bad price point if you're trying to stock up your stockpile with some different toothpaste or toothbrushes. We also have this deal with the Colgate, just a little bit better. Grabbing the $4 products, you're going to grab 2 paste or 2 mouth rinses for $8. Subtracting the digital coupon, you're going to pay $4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you're going to do the deal with the mouth rinses and the toothpaste or brushes, separate transactions because only 1 register reward will print per transaction. Let's talk really quickly about some honorable mentions. The first one goes for a 4 for $10 on the Bounce Downy Febreze products. So I know we got Mr. Clean coupons last week. This potentially can be something great. We'll have to wait and see. We also have the Kellogg's cereal for $1.99. Typically at pharmacies, these are crazy expensive cereals. So definitely check for digital coupons on Sunday morning, and also maybe IBOTTA might have a rebate if there are no digital coupons, but $1.99, very good price point. And we have the buy 2, get 2 for free on Coca-Cola products. So if you want to stock up, there you go. Great start to the new year is the buy 1, get 2 for free on the Walgreens food storage bags. It's usually $2.79 for the first, and the other 2 are free, making it 93 cents per box of 20 food storage bags. That's it for this video, and in case you missed it, I made a video on how to coupon at Walgreens. For all the new shoppers out there, check out the video linked right here. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.